Office in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson County in Middle Tennessee until 5:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:52 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Nashville, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Davidson County. Hazard, 100 miles per hour wind gusts and baseball-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. This severe thunderstorm will be near Nashville around 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Locations impacted by this thunderstorm include Nashville, Brentwood, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Thompson Station, Green Hill, Millersville, Ashland City, Pleasant View, Shackle Island, Belle Meade, Gladeville, Ridgetop, Pegram, Berry Hill, and Rural Hill. This includes portions of Interstate 65, Interstate 24, and Interstate 40 in Davidson County. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. for Middle Tennessee. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter, such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet,